On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you two ways to fix TikTok effect problem. So if you have any problem with any effect that you want, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, or the first way, is go to the settings, open the apps manager, open the apps, and then go to TikTok and go to the power usage details here and click down here on this force stop option that you can see right here. As you can see, after you click on it, that's it. That's the first way. The second way is very simple. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok and click on this update option. After you click on the update option, now your TikTok is gonna be updated and you will get the latest features, and every problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.